So we're really excited to be starting and launching a new invention challenge today.
Yes, Sean. Yes, we are very excited.
Are you taking a look at my hands? I do use my hands a lot.
Kids invent stuff.
So this month we're setting a challenge all around personal transport, and we love transport. We've made a crazy car.
We built a giant cake on wheels that we rolled down a hill super fast.
We made a ride-on dolphin that you can ride on underwater.
And a car with a giant slime cannon on the roof that fired out edible slime.
So we're really excited about this month's challenge.
We want you to send us your ideas for crazy forms of personal transport, and as always, here is a little bit of inspiration in the form of our top 5.
Top 5 inventions.
At number 5, we have the off-road hoverboard, one of the most stylish ways a person can get around. The Seabreacher is shaped like different sea creatures. This custom watercraft doesn't just look cool, but it also has an awesome sound system. At number 3, it's one of our favourites, giant fighting robots. This one is definitely a way to make an entrance. Who says transport has to be serious? This ride-on toilet snowplow makes a serious job lots of fun. And at number 1, we love this bathtub drone. We love drones, and a human-sized drone sounds like the perfect way to travel in style.
So I absolutely want to ride in a bathtub drone. I think that'd be amazing to fly along in a bath.
I think that is definitely one of my favourites, but the Seabreacher is incredible. It looks so cool, and to ride in and out of the water.
Inside a whale? It'd be amazing. So we want you to use our top 5 as a little bit of inspiration for your own personal transport inventions. And we want you to send us those, and how can they send them?
Well, they can send them as pictures or videos uploaded to our website.
Which will appear on the screen below.
And the closing date for this is the 25th of February.
So send us your crazy invention ideas, and for this challenge we are super excited to have teamed up with the Big Bang Fair.
The Big Bang Fair is the UK's largest celebration of science, technology, engineering and maths for young people.
And there are going to be loads of awesome activities, experiments and inventions that you can try out at this free event that's happening in Birmingham in March.
And Sean and I are super excited because both of us were involved in the Big Bang Fair, and in fact we were part of a competition which started our kind of careers in engineering and invention.
Where it all began for us.
I've even got my trophy. Shiny, shiny. So there's a whole engineering and science competition which will also take place. So have a look, go talk to some students about some exciting projects that they're doing. And just as exciting, what are we going to do, Sean?
We are going to demonstrate and show on display at the event the personal transport invention that we bring to life from one of the kids' ideas we're sent.
So we're really excited to see your invention ideas and to hopefully see some of you in Birmingham.
Send us lots of stuff.
See you next week.
Bye!
Kids invent stuff.
Hi, I'm Sean and I move my hands around a lot, and welcome to our channel where you can subscribe here and you can watch some of the crazy stuff we built here. See you next week.